to Motorcycle Live. Motorcycle Live.
Motorcycles, and I'm here at 2019's Motorcycle Live in the Birmingham NEC. I'm standing in front of the Honda stand. I'm about to go in, we have a look around. I'm going to bring you pictures and videos of all the new bikes, all the up-to-date models. The new Rebel is there, the new Africa Twin Adventure Sport 1100cc and its Plus model. We are going to have our Africa Twin demo next week, so keep an eye for that. If you want to know more, phone Ian Gladman or Paul Style. I think there's a Fireblade, is that how you pronounce it there? There's a new Fireblade on the stand. We'll go and have a look at that. I'm sure it's really lovely. And basically, I'll bring you anything from the show. If you want to know anything that's happening on the Honda stand or at the show, please let us know in the comments. I'll go and find the answer and I'll report back. Have you read the new Fireblade yet?
Sorry?
Have you read in the new Fireblade yet?
Not yet, next week.
Oh, are you excited about it?
Yeah, I can't wait, mate. Yeah, really.
What do you think it looks like?
Awesome.
I know, I'm really pleased.
Yeah,
anything else about the new Fireblade you can tell me?
honestly, you know, it's the first big, I would say, upgrade since 2008. You know, so to see the wings, all the MotoGP technology come over, the chassis development they've done. You know, for me, I just can't wait to ride it. The horsepower speaks for itself. You know, 215 horsepower in a standard bike is crazy. You know, so yeah, I can't wait to ride it.
Great. Thanks very much for your time.
Thank you.
We're about halfway through the day here at Motorcycle Live 2019 and the Birmingham NEC, and the Fireblade, the legend continues. So the name of a film on the Honda stand. I'm having a wee look around. The new Fireblade is beautiful, by the way. You need to come down and see it. If you see me down here over the course of Motorcycle Live, come and say hello, because I've got some stuff in my goodie bag for you. I better go and get a wee bit of lunch first and then we'll crack on, alright?
Was left to me with all the remnants of their luxury and coat of chrome. La-di-da! Every single room was empty, all the lawns and trees and gardens they were.
That's all for Motorcycle Live for the first day. Oh my god, I can't believe we've only been here one day. I feel as if I've been here a week, but everything's fine, we're on it. We'll be back here tomorrow to see what else is going on. I'll try and find as much as I can for you. If you want to know any more, come and see me. I'll be filming Doble Motorcycles. Rock